The Skullcandy Indy True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the new Skullcandy Indy True Wireless Earbuds. They have an Apple look design to them and come in at a fraction of the cost. I will go over the features, provide microphone samples, and give my final thoughts on them. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, a micro USB cable, and various ear gel tip sizes, small, medium, and large. The earbuds are packaged very nicely, and in the inner flap, you see a summary of the controls, which we'll go over shortly. The Skullcandy Indy features the following: 4 hours of listening time, 16 hours with the case. It takes 1 hour to fully charge, 10 minutes of charge gives you 1.2 hours, and the case takes 2 hours to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 with 30 plus feet of range. It has touch controls for access, micro USB for charging, and it's IP55 sweat, water, dust resistant. The case is fairly light and plastic all around. You have the Skullcandy branding on the top of the lid, and the front of the case has the LED charge status along with the micro USB charge port on the bottom. Opening the lid, you will see the LED light up on the front, along with the earbuds seated securely in the case. They are held into place by magnets. And this is the inside of the case. The lid is solid and opens and closes firmly. The earbuds have a stem design to them like the AirPods. They are light and made of plastic. The left side has the following: touch controls, LED status light, the stability gel, interchangeable ear tips, and the charging contacts. And here you see the bottom charging contacts. The right side features the following and is the master earbud: touch controls, LED status, stability gel, interchangeable ear tips, microphone, and charging contacts. And here are the earbuds side by side. Controlling the earbuds are done by the touch controls on each side. The left side has the following: tap once for volume down, hold down for 2 seconds for previous track. And the right side controls are tap once for volume up, tap 2 times for play pause, hold down for 2 seconds for next track. Holding down both earbuds for 3 seconds will allow you to pair it. Now let's take a look at some measurements. The case comes in at 2.5 by 2.2 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at about 49 grams. And the earbuds come in at about 11 grams. And now here's a quick microphone sample. This is a test of the Skullcandy Indy microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Watching videos, I didn't experience any latency and had good range. You can use the earbuds in both stereo or in mono. If you're going to use it in mono, it will have to be the right side since that is the master. So here are my final thoughts on the Skullcandy Indy. And I always start off by saying sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds were very comfortable, and having the various ear gel sizes helps for the correct fitting. Also, The stability gel definitely adds the additional support and makes it feel secure. Build quality is fairly decent and it feels durable. It is what you would expect at this price point. When it comes to sound, starting off with the lows, I expected a bit more bass. It provided enough of the lows, but not the deep sounds. Not like the Tiamat Titans or the Tranya T3 that I have reviewed in the past. Mids and highs I think is where this excels. It was very clear and crisp. You can hear vocals and instruments very well and it never got distorted. Overall, I think it was balanced and it provided a pleasant listening experience. Using it while running, it stayed into place and it was secure. I would have liked to seen voice assistant integrated in the touch controls. And also being able to go mono on either earbud would have been nice, not just the right side. These definitely have some value at the price point. They can be used for everyday, casual listening, and the IP55 rating also protects you from the elements, which is a definite plus for those that lead active lifestyles. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.